The car's a little dirty this morning. Got to get it washed up, but just want to show you guys, we did get those turbine wheels put on. These are not the hubcaps. These are wheels that came off our Model 3. They have 6 different specs on these wheels when it comes to the vehicles, and each vehicle comes with different wheels, which is very hard to explain. But for example, the Model 3 can come with 20 by 8.5s or 20 by 9s. The Model Y can come with 20 by 9s or 20 by 9.5s. It also come with 19s, or it can come with 21s. Now, the offsets are a little bit different as well. These have the offset of a -34 offset. And then on your standard Y, they come with a -40 offset. So they sit pretty flush with the vehicle. And these are the 265, 40, 20, the Falken Azenis. If I'm saying that correctly, I apologize if I butchered it. But these are the EV tires, the same tires that I've got on the Model 3 Performance, and they perform really well. And we've been able to get a lot of miles out of these. As long as you're rotating them at your 10,000 miles and keep rotating them, they will perform really well. So they're quiet, they're not loud, and they're really good for the price. I mean, you can't beat it for $300 per tire. If you're putting on the Michelins are like $500 a piece. The reason why I went with this tire, I'm going to show you why. It covers that lip a little bit better, protects it. I mean, it's not going to protect it all the way. It's the same exact height. It's just a little bit wider. But I'm loving the new update, guys, on the autopilot. We're in beta mode over here in Florida, so it is pretty cool to get that free trial. I paid for the subscription when we first got it on the Model 3 and did not have no autopilot whatsoever unless you're on certain roads. So it's working now for us, and we are super excited. Especially here in the country, it works really great. But hey, if you guys are looking to get some tires, these Falcons are the way to go. They save you some money, a couple $100 a piece on each tire. I mean, you're talking $800 to $1,000 depending on what kind of tires you're running on these things. And they're EV tires, so they're rated. One of the things that I wanted to do was I wanted to run a factory wheel, and when you run the factory wheel, it helps you so much better, a lighter tire, but it keeps that same factory look, and it also can change the specs on the inside of the vehicle. Hey guys, I appreciate you guys watching the channel. If you haven't, subscribe, comment below what you think on this vehicle. Everybody have a great and blessed day.